Hi guys, welcome to channel. Now we are learn the alphabet letters. Come on, let's go. A. A for antelope. B. B for bee. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fox. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nuts. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S. S for squirrel. T. T for tortoise. U. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.